Hey there, I know you saw the thumbnail, saw the title of the video, you know what we're in for, so let's just get going. And zoom that out. Here we go, all 12 of these boxes. Get that out. Here we go, here's all 12 of our boxes. Zoom that back in a little bit. Sleeves waiting off to the side, and a bunch of band-aids because I did cut myself just opening the box in the first place. So hopefully that's not too bad. Got the trash right here. And first, from the sneak peek, I actually, these are the only two interesting things I pulled, the Scareclaw Link 1, and also the Goatee of the Deep Beyond, which is, I mean, who knows how good those cards are going to end up being, but in the sunlight right here, that looks fantastic. So I figured I'd show those off. Alright. So let's get going on the first box. So, Falling Mountains, Fun Earth Fairies, Sprite Smasher, Persistent Deepest Depths, Gadget Gamer, and the first, one of the new Therian cards. Yeah. And some Alpha stuff. Alright, that's what we got. So, put you there, and we're gonna have to update how we're organizing this as we go. See, Strong Telephone, Android, collect your phone. Oh, a little Tanuki card, a little cutie. Alright, then we got Overfusion, Sprite Pixies, that thing, cool. Let's just keep going, we have a lot to get through. Digijamming, Life Extreme, Time Rounds Again, Gamma Burst, and EN Wave. ML Dark Wonder, Cody Chain, yeah. So we have EN Wave, some more hero support. What we're really looking for out of these boxes are new Exo-Sister stuff. And new Gemini Fusion. Sprite Carrot, cool. Yeah, Gemini Lady Rose Diamond. They're also getting a new one of those continuous fusion spells in here. Yeah, mostly looking for the Exo-Sister stuff and all the tier 1 stuff. Not like that excited about sprites, but oh, hey! We got the good of the main deck Goatee ones. Not good, like I have no idea how good they are as cards, but artwork, I like the little jellyfishy space. That's way better than whatever the squid thing I think the other one is. Sprite Red, all that stuff. Oh, some tier 1 stuff. Alright. Sleeve up our Ultra Rares in this thing. Cool. Put you over there. Get material. Tier 1 cards look pretty interesting. Played it a bit like in an online simulator, but here we go. Power Tool Braver Dragon. Shout out to the other Power Tool Dragon. Yeah, the first deck I played actually when I came back to the game was Infernoble Knights. So I'm a big fan of the other Power Tool Dragon. Hopefully, between this and there's another card in the set, little Flame Buddy that works with like equip monsters. Hopefully something can work there to make them playable again. Oh, Lord's Lady of Might. Losing Auroradon was I mean, the only way that deck functioned was by having a handful, like 2 Infernobles in the extra deck. Oh hey, speaking of, yeah, like 2 Infernobles in the extra deck and just all of the possible synchro spam cards too. Here we go, back to the Flame Buddy. Cool little guy. And then Life Extreme to go along with our Tool Type Favor Dragon. And let's keep going. Oh, the new Albaz card. Does not look like he's doing too well. Next one. Yeah, I honestly forgot what that card does. I mean, read it when it was first announced forever ago, but... Oh, here we go. We're hitting stuff. The Arena Regular, that... You can see that. It's a pretty cool boss monster for the archetype. It's got a little scratch on it, a little ding on him, but oh, no, that was just fuzz. Top's a little scuffed, but... Yeah, he, like, special summons himself and equips 3 of them to him, so even though he has like 1600 attack, he immediately gets that extra 700 for each of the other ones, so the extra 2100, yeah, so 3700 goes up to right away and then gets all those extra effects from the other ones. He's really cool. Sleeve him up. Yeah, if you're playing like a pure Ethereum build, he's definitely looks like a pretty good card. Oh, another Gem Knight. Some Mary Melfi's. Another chain, blah blah blah. Alright, cool. Another Gem Knight Quartz. Yeah, Ethereums are a deck that, when the cards looked cool, and like I said, because I played Infernoble Knights, I was hopeful that something would come out of that from the Bull Iron, I think, the Fire Warrior one. Not much. Doesn't look like. That deck's going to need a lot more support before it becomes good again. Ian, engage Neo Space, more hero support. Alright, let's keep going. Oh, Rika Concon, the new field spell. Actually super strong. It's going to let you just tribute your opponent's monsters for their effects, because I think a lot of their effects require you to tribute a plant monster. That says tribute your opponent's monster instead. And let's keep going. Oh, Elemental Hero, Spirit of Neos. There's the new Rika Princess card. Yep, more Neos support. Really hoping to avoid those Neos secret rare cards out. Vendread card. Yeah, those new Neos secret rares. You only get 24 secret rares in the case, and that is not enough to get 3 of each. Alright, oh, here we got Havnus. One of the really good 2 element cards. Oh, hey! Well, Neos Ultra Rare Spine. It is the cover card from the set. Cool looking guy. Oh, I didn't even mention, there, focused. Yeah, I won the raffle at the sneak peek too, so I got the, not for the card, but for the placemat. So you can see that right there. Let's flip this guy. Keep going. At the rate this is going, I might only do 2 boxes in this video and cut the rest into another video. It's taking forever. This will take forever otherwise. Oh, Melfi Staring Contest, the cutest card in the set. You right there, you over there. Let's keep going. Phone's actually focusing a lot better than I thought it would. Sprite, turn telephone. Oh, hey, here we go. Our first high rarity Sprite card, and it's Sprite Elf. And the cards all look really cool. And obviously it's going to be strong, but I don't know, something about it, it's just not that exciting. It's actually, it even uses a mechanic that I really like. The idea of playing with level 2 and rank, or link 2 and rank 2 cards, being able to use like a link 2 as material, stuff like that. I really like when they make the extra deck mechanics interact in interesting ways, but I don't know, something about that deck is just not the most exciting thing. Oh, and Grand Tusk Dragon. Cool. I actually pulled one of these at the sneak peek too. The foiling on this is incredible. Look at that. Get it even closer. Oh yeah, there we go. Yeah, I just gave it away to a guy I played against. He was playing Dragon Link because when I ordered this, I'm going to get a bunch of them anyway. Let's see if we can get these other ones up close now. Yeah. The sleeve is not focusing super well. Alright. Who do we have next? Oh, we got more Sous Ship stuff and Scareclaw Straddle. Alright. Next up we have all that. And, oh, and Sprite Jet. There's our next holo Sprite card. That in the sun. Maybe up a little bit closer. Yeah, there we go. Oh, hey. It's probably the coolest looking one of all of them. Nope. Next card. What do we have left? We've got 1, 2, 3. So we got 4 of our Ultras already, but no Secret Rare. Oh. And a Secret Rare. Oh, awesome. Ultimate Slayer. Perfect. Yeah, definitely want 3 of these. Yeah. You can see that up close. Yeah, this is a fantastic staple card. Let's look in the sun. Oh, it's like even foiled over the text. Oh, that's super cool. Alright. Oh, don't throw those in the trash. That goes in the trash. And you go into a sleeve. Actually, I'm going to put you in one of the Dragon Shield sleeves because I'm going to put you into a deck straight away. Cool. Yeah. Sun straight in my eyes. Reflecting off the card. Alright, what do we have next? Vernisylph Corolla. And some more of the Tearlament commons. Oh, cute little bunny. A lot of the artwork on the Vernisylph cards are pretty cute, but I don't think there's an Earth deck that I've ever actually wanted to play. So, and oh, awesome! Oh, geez. Oh, huh? That's weird. It's like the second card that's had like a little fuzzy on it. But here we go. Awesome. The last secret rare of the first box is Tearlament's Kaleido Heart. Fantastic, dude. Big octopus eel man? I don't know what that is. There we go, up close. Cool guy. Alright, that's the end of. I'll sleeve you up because I'm. Oh, wait, no, you're an extra deck card. You get the extra deck sleeves. Down there. Alright, yeah, I've been using these, trying to standardize my sleeves so I don't have to keep re-sleeving everything when I move my staple cards to a different deck to go to locals, so yeah. And I've just been using these, the Dark Magician's sleeves. Oh man, well. Now it's half a lie because I just kept forgetting to use them on the other cards. Move these guys over here. And it's box 2 time. Oh. This is so much harder than I thought it was going to be. thing over there. Trying not to cut ourselves a second time. You can see that cut on my thumb. Yeah, that was from just opening the cardboard box in the first place. Let's go. Next, Hydrolander Orbit. And a little like, piece of paper scrap. Oh yeah, and you can kind of see the borders are thicker on this side. The other box didn't have that really. Ice Jade, Crosskeeper. Oh, and right off the bat, favorite contact. We have a new. What do you call it? Another hero card. Yep. So, sleeve you up. Alright, next back. Granite Explosion, Ice Jade Thing, Gadget Gamer, Life Extreme, and Punk Jam Extreme Session. And some more sprite stuff. Yeah, and Punk cards, obviously, like, some of the coolest artwork in the game. I was planning to, like, just... Yeah, I was originally planning to pick up, like, a core set of all that. Like, way back when they first came out. Was it Deer Notes, the one that was super expensive? No, Foxy Tune. Yeah, she was like $6. I was like, oh yeah, no, like no one's doing anything with these cards. I can just wait until I want to pick them up. Nope. Shot up to 30 not long after that. So now we'll wait for a reprint, I guess. And here we go. Yeah, not a squid thing, but whatever the heck that is. Shift the Fairy of the Goatee. Yeah, the pace of Little Jellyfish is way better. And it's back. Another Gemnite Quartz, more Suship, more Tier 1 commons. Hey, we had, I think, both of those in the same pack earlier. It's almost like when you open thousands of cards. Thousands? How many? Minecraft back to hundreds of cards, and there's only 100 unique ones. Sometimes they'll be in the same order. Same, another Ventrade card. Oh yeah. Also the other main deck one. And Midnight Early. Cool. And let's keep going. Doing pretty good so far. Haven't opened a card that I'm angry about yet. And another Green Tusk Dragon. Overfusion, Carrot, Princess, Terrors of the Overroot. What does that one do again? Target one card your opponent controls and one card in the graveyard. Send that card on the field to the graveyard if you do. Set the other card from the graveyard to your opponent's field. Wait, where's it? There we go. Green Tusk. Situationally pretty decent card, I suppose. Oh hey, awesome. Here we go. We definitely want at least like 2 of this guy. Let's get that in the sun. Garura, Wings of Resonant Life. Yeah, fantastic new super poly target. I mean, just put this in any deck, any extra deck. There we go. Cool guy. I need the... Oh no. Alright, we're learning how to organize all of this better. Alright, let's go next. Vendread, Ritual Spell, Sprite Red, Digijamming, Telephone, and another EN Wave. Converter, Sprite Red, Release, and Penny. Of course, any of the Starlights would be more than welcome. Sorry, Red, Heavens, and another little Tanuki. Cool. More Those keep coming. Those 3 come all together. I'm starting to think that my stats argument earlier is faulty. I'm thinking maybe there's something to do with how these cards are printed that makes them come in similar orders. Right, another amazing card. And, oh hey, Mathmech Circular, awesome. Fantastic, fantastic Mathmech card. Also, just any Cybers deck in general is really gonna like this guy. Cool. Amazing card. Hey, another Paces. This guy. Yeah, Paces light with the goatee. Oh, I never know it's got a little heart in there. Oh. I love you, little space jellyfish. That was the next tattoo. That was also the next tattoo I was going to get, some kind of jellyfish. But who has the time? Jellyfish, the jellyfish. Scarlet Vendred, Mary Melfi's. Oh yeah, these cut the right in the top is awful. Missing. And the bottom left is huge. Jim, my Lady Rose Diamond again. Moki. You, not really. Nope. No other one of these. My cards always look pretty cool. And obviously all the space artwork looks super cool, but especially the hollows. Hey, Scatter Fusion. And these guys. Oh, they came in the opposite order this time. Another goatee. Oh, I didn't realize there was a non-hollow goatee main deck monster. So we have Scatter Fusion. Bunch of dudes in there. Ah. Probably not going to be nearly as good as their fusion spell that's banned, but hopefully it does something for him. Oh yes, awesome. Whew. Perfect, yes, this is exactly what we're looking for. So here, let's pull it close, can we see it? Yeah, Martha. We'll see in the background, standing on the rooftop, just hanging out. A star back in the sky that's shining. Let's see what that looks like. Oh yeah, yeah, Seeker is like great in the light here. This is the perfect time of day to do this, but the this one doesn't have the foiling over the text like the other one, that one did, like All from the Slayer did. Pretty sure this one's the mistake, that isn't supposed to happen, but that looks awesome. Yeah. Where's our sleeve? Alright, you guys can go there. More of that. We need more of that. Specifically, exactly 2 more of that. Although the price dropped quite a bit after pre-sale, it's only like $20, so of all the things to miss, Martha's probably the one. And another of the new Albaz, Bright Red, Humans, and the Sprite Pixies, the Sprite that I've never seen anyone play, so I have no idea what it does. And I refuse to learn. Alright, this guy, Vanguard Underground Emperor, Scarlet Vendred, blah blah, Burnstone, and another Lady Rose Diamond. Another Pit Knight early at the very back. Let's see, can we get a Burnisif of the Awakening Forests? Yeah, Forests, plural. Alright. Yeah, cute little guy. Yeah, that's really good foiling too. Foiling on this one too, where they have like just the bear isn't foil, but everything else is. I guess the little guy's skin and stuff like that isn't foil. Yeah, that's super cool. They've done a great job with this set. Alright, Seen all this? Hey, perfect. Our first Exosister Returnia. Wonderful card. Cool little guys on there doing bad guy stuff. Awesome. I'm going to just put a sleeve on that one right now because I'm going to do it eventually anyway. Yeah, it's a great card. Opens up the combo to banish. If you go first, you can banish 4 times on your opponent's turn. Assuming you don't get interrupted, but between a trap card and 2 quick effects, like you can always chain things. It's pretty great. Spirit of Neos again. Cool. Yeah, this set really opened up that deck to like actually be able to be competent. And oh yeah, Punk Jam Dragon Drive. Again, super cool. Look at that in the sunlight. Look at it up close. Oh, hey, little dudes in the background. Never noticed that before. Alright, there you go, into the pile of supers. Let's keep going. And another Sprite Jet. Cool. Where'd the other one go? Oh, put the other one up here. Alright, sure. I'll keep putting them in this pile. Even though I'm not super excited about the deck, they are important cards. Oh, yes, awesome. Here we go. Primeval Planet Perlerino, the wonderful field spell for the Two Elements archetype. Look at that. Just a big old plant coming out of the water with some platforms on it. Yeah, that's what it is. Let's go. Let's put this sleeve on it. Yeah, that's awesome. That, at least last I checked, was the most expensive card out of the set. So that's the one we're really hoping to get a bunch of. Oh no, Sprite Blue is the most expensive one. Again, last I checked, it was a couple days ago. Hey, another Therian Irregular. Fusion. Right, Pixies, cool. Cool guy. I don't know if we really looked at the foiling last time, so let's get a good look at that guy. Just a big old guy. Alright. Let's sleeve you. Over here with your doppelganger. I think, yeah, we already got the 2 secrets out of here. And not been keeping track of the ultras. Yeah, another lady, Loris, Lady of Lament. Neato. Alright, time for the next box. Put these cards over in the pile of zippers. Alrighty. On this, we try not to cut ourselves again. Oh, this is not. It's cut the tape super easily and it stabbed my finger. Maybe it's just the stabbing it's good at. Yeah. Oh well. Box number 3. Box number 3. Here we go with box number 3. Cool. Alright, pack number 1. Okay, and another Furnace of Waking Forest. Super Bile. Oh hey! Gigantic Sprite, awesome. Our first one of these guys. Yeah, what is that? That looks pretty good on that. Look at him. Another just big guy. put you in this. You're not going in a deck right away. You'll go in the binder, so use the binder-friendly sleeves. Another Jam Extreme Session. Any ones I really haven't gotten yet. Nothing's jumping out. Oh wait. Another Returnia. We are missing one of the... we're missing the fusion for, like the level 5, I think it is fusion for two elements, and I guess all of the 2 element hollows other than the 2 secrets. We got the 2 secrets. Still waiting on Rhinoheart and Sharon. Okay, yeah. Thank you. Perfect. Awesome. Is it the second time that's happened in this this opening? Yeah, another pretty good hollowing where like his like face and part of his clothes aren't hollow, but the rest is. Yeah, that's fantastic. Wonderful starter for the deck. From a distance, looks like he's holding a dual disc, but whatever that is, some kind of weapon, I assume. You are going straight into a deck. That's super bright right there. Now the Mathematic Circular. Wonderful. What does this one even do? Double Duster returns to game, returns carry on, along with as many cards as accumulating trash. And the last Returnia that we need from box 3. Cool. I expect to see no more of these from the entire case. Be nice and just give me exactly what I need, nothing more, nothing less. So I don't have to order stuff online. Alright, another one of these Roller Reptile guys, Vendred, and another Drag and Drive. Another little Emperor Tanuki's critter count. What does that even mean? Like, is he performing a census or something like that? Critter count? Okay. Alright, let's keep moving. No time for jokes. Math may circulate. Penny. Why is it called Penny? What do you mean? I'll do it later. And another Power Tool Braver Dragon. Yeah, cool guy. Cool bunch of stuff from the deck. Fortunately, we have 2.5 good main deck monsters. Really good spells, but 2.5 good main deck monsters. Inferno is going to need a lot more help than that. Okay. Another shift. And the sun is shifting. It's freaking blinding me right now off of those cards. Another Ian Engage Neo Space. It's actually pretty cool. Just punching a big guy. You can always appreciate one muscly guy punching a big guy. First, oh hey, Sprite Starter, cool. Not the most imaginative name for the starter spell of the deck, but that's super cool. Oh, hey, you can see the, I think it's Ethereum on the bottom. That looks really cool. The light going across the outline. Nice. Grab you a sleeve. We gotta pay more attention. I have no idea what's left in this box. Our scanner fusion. Neat. Hey, another Echo the Flame Buddy. We really appreciate him last time. Here we go. Ooh. Cool kid. Alright, let's keep going. Rika Concon. Actually, let's check what this guy does real quick. This card's normal special when you can target one face up monster card, and either ability to spawn trap zone, special summon it to your field. You take one other face up monster you control. That target to this card is an equip spell. It's a 500 attack. You can only use the okay. Yeah, so technically he would work with well, he would work against the Fury attack. He can take away one of their equip monsters. Oh, hey, here we go. Tailman's Kalos. Yeah, little top center is a little bit bonked that you can kind of see, but hey, let's check out the foiling. Nice. Ah, guys. Can always appreciate a mermaid lady with a sword. There we go. Cool. Grab one of our extra deck sleeves. Put you right there. What was I talking about? Oh yeah, I got a Flame Buddy. Yeah, you can work to... Oh, yes. Okay, 1 second. We'll get back to you, Wolf Flame Buddy. There we go. This is a super cool card. A lot of people have talked at length about this. It's not like a definite always include type of staple, but it A, looks sick as hell, and B, is a pretty good effect if you can pull it off. Just a lady with a big fiery dragon behind her. What's not to love? There we go. Put the deck sleeve on you, because I'll probably put you in a deck right away, just to kind of try that out. Flame Buddy, what we're saying? Oh yeah, you can extend by like using your Infernoble effects to get him out of the graveyard, or to use their own effects to get them out of the graveyard, then use him to special summon one of them if you need an extender. That's pretty cool actually. Time will tell if he's actually decent at that. Another Vendread Scavenger. Hey, here we go. Our first Sharon. Nice. Another cool foiling. The sword shiny. And just... Get that looking good. Oh. Are you too shiny to like really focus on? Here we go. Come on. There we go. Just like space, but water planet also in the background. Yeah, that one has one of the cooler backgrounds of the Taylor Woods cards. Not really showing up super well on here though. It's kind of dark. I think there's too much contrast for it to really show through how... Oh, wait. Oh, maybe we got it at that angle. Yeah, there we go. Yeah. That looks super cool. Awesome. again. And what else is in here? We will sleeve you up right now. Our pile's getting out of control. And Scareclaw straddle again. And final pack of this box is... Oh, okay. Well, sure, why not? Had to happen eventually. Instant Contact. The sort of instant fusion type card for Neos. Neato. Alright. That's the end of this box. How are we doing on time? 42 minutes. We'll do one more and then maybe cut and do the rest later. Well, for me it'll probably be right away. But for you, it'll be a second video. Also uploaded like a minute after. Alright. Our super pile grows. Put you guys all down here. Next. The sharp thing. This thing's kind of old. I think it's just got dull from using it too much. Except for that little point that made me bleed. Side 1, side 2. Okay. Put you out of the way so nobody gets hurt. Pack 1 of box 4. And we get Straddle again. Our deck has some very weird spell card names. Straddle, Splash, Back of the Flame Buddy, Cool Guy, friends with him. That's cool. Hey, another Sprite Elf now. Now we can appreciate this one without the sleeve on it. This one that's kind of hard to really see what's going on. Yeah. Alright, sleep time. Back of that big unruly pile we got there. And let's keep going. We got, oh hey, our first one of these. Boss of the Earth Channeler. Hold it out of frame for a second because I couldn't tell if it was an ultra rare or not. It blended in too well when I was looking at the screen. Yep. There's Asa with her little friends, just kind of hanging out. She's probably the one Starlight that I would be most bummed about getting, but let's keep going. Another Lyrian Empress Thalassia, a good reptile one. What effect does she give? Target one Therian monster. You can discard one card, then target one Therian monster card in your spawn trap, sound special summon. Okay, so she works to like extra extend. That's pretty cool. There's the discard. Yeah, discard is part of the cost. Yeah. Man, the sun is really moving. Another straddle. I keep randomly blinding myself. Another shift. so it's definitely a good idea doing it at this time when the sun is coming right through this window, other than how intensely hot it is. Yeah, you can get a great look at some of these cards. Cool, another Sprite Elf. Or, Elf. Sprite Jet. Cool guy. His little hood. I think I put the other two back here. Yep. Got a place on him now. And let's keep going. Punk Jam Extreme Session. Sunlight's great for this, but it's doing this for so long. The sun has moved and now it's always in a different place. I'm always blinding myself by moving in a way that I was just fine a minute ago. Got a Corolla. We've only seen one of those before. Okay, another staring contest. This one's interesting because the foiling is such a small amount of it, but cute. Okay, our second Sharon, perfect. Hopefully, well, we have a case. We're probably going to get a whole place out of her. Yeah, the borders are a little bit thicker on the top than the right. Not too bad. And a third irregular. Neat. I love that they made an archetype that's basically, like it works together on its own, but each of the individual cards is just like a good extender for like a generic, or a good generic extender for a different deck, or just a different type. It's super cool. Our Awakening Forests. I think as a pure deck though, I think they have trouble like getting started because they all are really good extenders, but not a ton of good starters, I don't think. Alright, Gymnite Quartz. Again. The idea of like equipping the other monsters from the graveyard and then like instilling other effects on them when they're equipped is super cool. Scan Fusion. Versus of the Flourishing Hills. This one's an ultra rare. Did not know they got one. They got an ultra rare. Oh, guys. There you go. Cute little fairy. Go ahead and squeeze you up. Grand Tusk Dragon. Oh. Your Hovnes, Dragon Drive. Third pile. Time for the trash box. There we go. Okay. Never had that happen before. Oh, that little name. It's the only thing that pops out in the back. Ooh, hey. We got Nostra King. There. Ooh, so sparkly. There we go. It's a cool guy. Pretty good effect, but he, needing 3 materials? I don't know if that's always going to be the thing you want to do. It's extra deck. Let's put this guy on. No, we're not going to get him. You know, currently playing level 3 decks. He could be really good at like just pushing for game, if your opponent's board is open and you have the ability to spam a ton of level 3s on the board, because you can use 3 or more level 3s for him. It's an attack full bunch. Spirit of Neos. Beefy guy. More sunlight. Hey, another Goatee of the Deep Beyond. Just appreciate this guy again. So sparkly. Focus, yeah, there we go. Just a big sea monster looking thing hanging out in space. What's not to love? I don't know, the other one's in one of these up. I'm going to two right there. Final pack. Okay, we just I think in both the first one and this one we got both our secret rares at the very end. And you are an EN Wave. Alright, now it's time to put the supers in the super pile. We're at 50 minutes. Okay, now's a good time to call it and cut it into another video. There's our super pile, you can see that there. Let's take a look at what we've got so far. Got these two from before. Where are 2 of those cards? Got you two, there. You, we got you. Oh jeez, how are we gonna organize this? That. Da. 3 of you, green card, you, sprites here, Goatee. I put a king there, 2 sprites, Martha. Thing, 2 more air regulars. Oh, that's right. No. I'll put these sort of generic cards down here. And there. Alright, there we go. Let's see if we can kind of see all this. This is what we got from the first 4 boxes. It's going pretty well so far. But yeah, we're going to cut it here. This is getting kind of long, so I will... Oh, jeez. You can almost see. I'll film the rest in another video. Maybe just that one will hopefully won't take as long. Just speed right through it all. So yeah, let me know what you thought so far. Let me know down in the comments what you pulled, what you think of all of this that you can kind of see with the sun going on. It's moving. I might need to figure out a better place to put this mat for the next part. So yeah, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, and oh geez, and have a nice day.